Best Practices for Afterpay Return Process is a comprehensive guide that explains the topic step by step to ensure a seamless and efficient return experience for customers. The process begins with understanding the Afterpay return policy, which allows customers to return items purchased using Afterpay within a specified timeframe. To initiate the return process, customers should first review the store's return policy to ensure they meet the eligibility criteria. They should then contact the store's customer service team to obtain a return merchandise authorization number if required. The next step is to package the item securely and include all original packaging and accessories to avoid any potential deductions from the refund amount. Customers should also ensure they use a trackable shipping method and keep a record of the tracking number as proof of return. Once the store receives the returned item, they will process the refund and notify Afterpay. Afterpay will then cancel any upcoming payments and refund any amounts already paid. Best practices for the Afterpay return process include providing clear and concise return instructions to customers and ensuring that return policies are easily accessible on the store's website. Stores should also have a dedicated customer service team to handle return inquiries and process returns in a timely manner. Additionally, stores should ensure that refunds are processed promptly to avoid any delays or disputes with customers. By following these best practices, stores can provide a positive return experience for customers and reduce the risk of disputes or chargebacks. In conclusion, the Afterpay return process is designed to be fair and efficient for both customers and stores. By understanding the return policy and following the steps outlined above, customers can ensure a seamless return experience. Stores can also benefit from implementing best practices to provide a positive return experience and reduce the risk of disputes or chargebacks.